These fishermen are really proud. They spent a lot of money to buy a big sea pill, which is supposed to be a high-quality item worth thousands. They cut it into small pieces to use as fishing bait, but the bait still wasn't enough, so they decided to put in a bigger one, around 10 kilograms. They chopped up the deep-sea fish, and this time, they made quite a bit of money. Their target was a creature weighing hundreds of kilograms. Just one catch could bring in a lot of money. Once everything was ready, they set out on the boat, dropping the fishing line. They were busy for over an hour, just setting everything up. The next day, they arrived early. After pulling up the buoy, they encountered a problem when trying to reel in the line. The line seemed to be stuck on something deep in the sea, and no matter what, they couldn't pull it in. This left them feeling pretty disappointed. They wondered if they were going to lose everything, both their wives and their crew. Luckily, after waiting for about 10 minutes, they were finally able to reel in the line. As they pulled it back in, a massive figure slowly emerged from the water. Before long, the gigantic creature was fully pulled out of the water. They quickly hooked it with an iron hook, and some of them used all their strength to drag it onto the boat. But when they took a closer look, they realized it was just a giant rock. Visually, it weighed hundreds of kilograms. Even though they couldn't pull in anything else with the fishing line, this big rock was enough to make a good profit. Does sea fishing like this sound exciting?